Talofa and welcome to our new series, Editor's Choice. This is where our editor highlights some of the most popular and important stories on our website, talamua.com. Today is Friday the 25th of March 2022, and today's choice is titled Guilty of Contempt, Tuilaepa, Lealailepule Maiava. This story was published on Wednesday the 23rd of March 2022. Let's get into it. Samoa's longest-serving Prime Minister, Tuilaepa has been found guilty of contempt by scandalizing the court. Also found guilty were Member of Parliament and HRPP Secretary Lealailepule Maiava and lawyer Maiava Visikota Beteru. The court found the 5 other defendants not guilty, but considered that they all came very close to being guilty. All their statements apologizing to the court are being published, thus clearly confirming that they were subject to examination by the court. The contempt charges were brought by the Fast Party against the former Prime Minister and others for the public statements made against the judiciary in the political crisis that gripped the country following the results of the April 2021 general elections that ended the HRPP's 36-year rule. In summary, the court's decision against Tuilaepa said his statements have undermined public confidence in the independence, integrity, and impartiality of the judiciary, and undermined the authority of judges and the rule of law, and is guilty of contempt for scandalizing the court. The decision also said, in other circumstances, the first respondent's actions might have called for imprisonment, but for 3 considerations: his long and distinguished service, his expression of regret, and the harmony agreement between the parties. In respect of Lealailepule, he did not deny making the statements, but set out to justify them, and showed no recognition of the need to abide by the court's decision, and plainly expressed contempt for the court, and is guilty of contempt by scandalizing the court. In respect of Maiava, the decision said, as an officer of the court, she should have known better. She has brought dishonor to her profession. She doesn't challenge the evidence provided, which expresses contempt for the court, by suggesting collusion between Fast and the courts, and is guilty of contempt by scandalizing the court. The convictions raised potential issues for the 2 members of Parliament and their tenure in Parliament, and also for Maiava and her membership of the Samoa Law Society. That's our editor's choice for today. For more on this story, please click on the link in the description section below. Thank you for joining us, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. You can also leave us a comment in the comment section below to let us know what you think of our new series. Manuia le ne yaso, God bless.